I've driven so many of these cars in the last 2 years, ano. And so I've seen the evolution of technology. And the one thing I've seen talaga na nagbago sa kanila is the adaptability on how you drive. The car almost feels like it adjusts to the way you drive, and it's pretty intelligent. The ADAS, the driver's assistance, is very intuitive. Gumagaling ng gumagaling. The way the car is ergonomically designed is very good. Hindi ka pareho dati na kailangan mo si Madam Auring para malaman mo kung ano yung command. You know, kailangan mo ng genie. Hirap hanapin ng mga commands. Now, they're fairly easy to use. Yung mga buttons, and even sobrang high-tech itong sasakyan na to, dito ako natutuwa. Yung louver ng aircon. Hindi nila ginawang yung electronic. Oh.